Alright, since yesterday was such an epic fail, let's try this again. I don't know what I did wrong. It's supposed to be, no, it's like this. Ooh, look at that. That egg was a little broken from the start. So is this, let's turn it like, okay. Bam. And sliced egg so easy, no knife needed. Wow. Look at that. Hehe. I'll make some egg sandwiches. Bam. Here we have some white bread. And I'm gonna have some mayo. Mayonnaise. Because I like it. Mayonnaise. I've been on a fast almost 20 hours and now I'm breaking it with some eggs. And mayo. Look at that. That's a nice egg slicer from IKEA. Works perfectly. It's just me, I'm so clumsy here. Some of the eggs were a little broken from boiling, a little too rough. But anyways, look at that. Not bad. Lady's choice, of course. Best brand, according to me. Okay.